Hi everybody, theyorkshirecrafter here with another haul from lAVINIA. Now this actual haul, I actually went to the Hologanza or whatever it is they called it. I can't remember what they called it this time. And I've had that many projects on the go. I literally put this in the craft room and it's just got disappeared. I'm sure there's lots of you that can relate to that because it's just crazy at times, and I've just been clearing up from them projects because I've finished them and I've come across this bag and I can't believe I've not done the haul, and I can't believe I've not even had a try of everything, and I also can't even remember exactly what I ordered, but what I purchased on the day. I know one thing obviously, but a lot of them I can't even remember what I got, so how bad's that? Anyway, without further ado, I'm not going to take it out of the bag individual because the bag will make way too much noise. So with that, I'm going to empty the bag and then we can go through what I actually purchased. So the first thing we got was actually the new stamp collection. I don't know if they're new now, with since me buying them there was the newest ones. I don't know if they've actually brought out other new ones, I have no idea, but this was the collection anyway, so we'll just open this up and find out what was in there. So these are the new stamps that came out. Obviously I've just explained that, but I actually buy them always as the set as they come, whether I feel like I'll use them or not, I don't know, because I always feel like you always see something and you're like, oh, I wish I bought it, so I just think it's always better to just get the collection, plus it keeps me on track knowing which ones I need to get. So I've been collecting them now for about 18 months, 2 years, so I know it's the older ones from 2 years beyond, because from then I bought all the new ones, so that makes sense anyway. So this is the first one in it, and it's called Botanical Blossoms, and when we was at the Hologanza, I think Jo Rice did a beautiful card with this and she doubled it up and it was absolutely stunning. I can't wait to recreate that, and I'm actually surprised at myself for remembering. And then this one is called A Sacred Bridge, and then we've got Bridge Your Dreams with writing. It says, bridge your dreams and make it a reality, follow your dreams. Oh, go this way because they all seem to be upside down, don't they? Then we've got this tree and it says Tree of Life, trying to keep the glare a minimum. Then we've got another bridge, which obviously the theme of these was bridges by the sound look of it, and this one's called Forest Arch. And then we've got Druids Pass. I'm not sure if it's Druids or Druids, I think it's Druids. And then we've got this little tiny fairy which is called Dana or Dana, not too sure. And then we've got Botanical Blossoms Blood, and this is beautiful, like you can imagine that, putting that on one of the stags or something. It's gorgeous, love that. And then we've got swans, which I'd seen, I don't know who did it, but I did see somebody do make the swan into a flamingo, which I thought was an absolute amazing idea, so definitely be stealing that one. And then we've got dragon's fawns, it's really cool. And then we've got tumbleweed, oh, thimbleweed, not tumbleweed. I thought it was a bit strange because tumbleweeds are usually round. And the last one is Sacred Bridge Small. So that was the stamps I got. Like I said, I didn't purchase any of the other stamps, so I just popped them to one side. Then I got a pack of these clean colour brush pens. I've not actually used them before, but I noticed they've been using quite a lot in the video, so I thought I'd give them a try. Didn't get the whole set, I just got this 48 set because I thought there's enough colours there for me to work with, because I don't know if I like them or not, so that was why I got those. I thought I'd give them a trial out. We've got a chocolate missing its little wrapper and another chocolate, which is unusual because you always only get one chocolate, so it's nice because I'll pass them over to my daughter. Then I got the lAVINIA masking sheets to help, because the ones I've been using has been pulling the card. When I've been taking it off, it's took the card with it, so when the warmer work I've done has just been ruined, so I'm hoping this one will be better. And then we got a zigzag two-way glue pen, which I'm sure I already had one of them, but because I was watching Emma Jo do the shrink plastic, which I used to do shrink plastic quite a lot a while back, and basically I just fell in love with what she'd done. So that was that. I'm not too sure what's in this sweet bag. It's nothing to do with lAVINIA, this was, I'd done an afternoon tea for my friend for her birthday, and that was the remnants, and it looked like there was actually tea bags in there, which I didn't even realise till just, but hey ho. And we've got another bag here. So again, this was purchased from the Emma Jo demonstration. She was using this, and this will give you a raised look to anything that you put on for your foil and that, so instead of being flat you can get a domed look. So I thought I'll try that. And then I bought quite a few of the different foils. I didn't buy them all because I thought I'll have a go. So we've got teal, green, white, gold, silver and copper. And that's basically it. That is my haul of what I bought from the lAVINIA shop. I do hope you've liked this video. Like I say, it's been a while because I think it was beginning of March. Yeah, it was the day before Mother's Day, so the 9th of March. And I'm already in April doing this, so hey ho, it is what it is. But I hope you've enjoyed it anyway. I'll definitely enjoy the goodies, and hopefully I shall see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.